Well, in today's world, you're not going to get any more people. It's not about getting rid of people, it's about maximizing the staff we have. And with the robots, we have been able to do that, especially the Cenobot. One was really good, another one not so good. But the Cenobot has been the best one we've ever purchased. We have had better luck with Nassco than any of the other ones. It was the smoothest, easiest transition, and our staff is pretty good, and they actually can map and do things with this robot. It's been amazing. I would say yes, because I've already been able to take staff, move them around, and I could add different kinds of work and still be successful with the same amount of people we had in the building, even with an addition added on. If you were to ask our staff that run it and our supervisors, they love it. They say, don't buy any other robot. This is the one we want. Please purchase these for the rest of the buildings. That has been our task to do it.